Today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 166 different strategies, with 61 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. We've also tested a total of 997 indicators, with 421 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. The source video says new magic trend tracker buy sell indicator for scalping strategy. And of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators. The first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the trend trader buy sell signals, this one right here. You'll add it to the screen. It'll look kind of like this right here. You will jump into the settings, and under the style, you will turn off the bar color, and you'll scroll down and turn off the plots background. Hit OK, and it should look like this now. The next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the matrix series, this one right here. And again, you'll add that to the screen, and it will look like this right here. Once again, we'll jump into the settings, and in the inputs, you're going to change the smoother to 9 and the price period to 4. Hit OK, and now this should all look just like mine. So what we're looking for is when the trend trader, the trend tracker, gives you a buy signal like this right here. You're looking for price action to give you a green candle like so, and then you're going to look down to the matrix, and you want it to be below this red line and give you a green candle like this. Once all those line up, then that's going to be your signal to then enter into a long. You're going to put your stop right below the last swing, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes a little bit. We kind of run into some consolidation here before we finally make this push up, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, what we are looking for is the trend trader, the trend tracker, to give you a sell signal like this. You're looking for price action to have a red bar like that, and you're looking for the matrix to be above this green line and give you a red candle like this. So all those line up, it's going to be your signal to then enter into a short like so. Put your stop right above the last swing. Let me get that back there. Alright, and then we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And you see that we make a decent little push down here, getting us to our take profit quite easily. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 13 winning trades and 37 losing trades, putting it at a 26% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade for a drawdown of $14,800. So in total, you would have lost $7,000 altogether. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 75 trades altogether. We had 66 winning trades and 9 losing trades for a 88% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain the same $600, you would have gained $39,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $8,100 for a total gain of $31,500. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, so it's really cheap for a super profitable trading strategy. And again, if that number seems just ridiculously large, or you feel like $600 per winning trade isn't possible, then by all means cut that down. You figure that even if you divided that by 8, your total gain would have been $3,937. And so again, it doesn't have to be $600 per winning trade. Even cutting it down quite significantly, you still have a decent profit. So let's go ahead and look at the weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we take a look at the signals and we keep track of them. Last week they did 7 trades with 5 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at a 71% win rate, a gain of $1,440. No trades on the crypto coin. And so again, for the week, it would have been at $1,440. Add that to the 7-week total, we're at 8 weeks. Now that's going to put, or would put you at $17,380. And so again, you can see how when I say you can make tens of thousands of dollars in just a couple of months, it's relatively easy on just a couple of Forex pairs and a few handfuls of trades each week. And so as for this strategy here, we're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list because it definitely didn't do too good and isn't good for scalping at all. And so that's it for this one. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next video from here.